Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will take you through the process of how Lay's potato chips are made from fresh, delicious potatoes to the crispy, flavorful chips you love. You'll get to see every step of the production process and might even be surprised by some of the fascinating secrets behind every chip. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel, so you never miss out on exciting videos in the future. It all starts in the potato fields, where fresh potatoes are harvested and transported to Lay's factories. Every day, around 500 tons of potatoes are sent to factories worldwide for processing. These potatoes are carefully selected from farms and must meet strict quality standards. The fresh potatoes are then shipped to Lay's factories, where they begin their journey to becoming the delicious chips you love. When the potatoes arrive at the factory, they undergo a thorough inspection to remove any that don't meet the quality standards. In each factory, over 95% of the potatoes must meet the quality criteria. Potatoes with blemishes, green spots, or damage are immediately discarded. This step is crucial to ensure that each chip is perfect, free of defects, and delivers the best flavor for consumers. After the potatoes are carefully inspected, they are sent through large washing machines to completely remove dirt, sand, and other impurities. The machines can process up to 10 tons of potatoes per hour. Next, the potatoes are peeled using automated machines, a fast and efficient process. This ensures that the potatoes remain fresh and uniform, free of any dirt or inedible parts. Once peeled, the potatoes are sent to a cutting machine, where they are sliced into thin, uniform pieces. These slices are not just cut to a precise thickness of 1 to 2 millimeters for the perfect crispiness, but they also maintain perfect shape. Every day, over 100 tons of potatoes are sliced into these thin slices, ready for the frying stage. After cutting, the potato slices are washed again in cold water to remove any excess starch. This process lasts about 2 to 3 minutes and helps prevent the potatoes from darkening during frying, keeping them crispier for longer and preventing them from sticking together. Once cleaned, the potatoes are fried in hot oil to create the signature crispiness. The oil used has a temperature ranging from 180 degrees Celsius to 190 degrees Celsius, and the potatoes are fried for about 3 to 4 minutes. This frying process is automated to ensure each chip has the perfect crispiness, while maintaining the fresh, delicious flavor. This is where Lay's shows its true creativity in developing unique flavors. After frying, the potato chips are sent through a seasoning line, where special flavors are added. Lay's is always experimenting with strange and exciting new flavors, such as blue cheese flavor, potato chips with a strong blue cheese taste. This flavor is a favorite for those who love bold, distinctive cheese, but it will definitely surprise those used to more traditional flavors. Steamed tomato and cucumber flavor, a sweet combination of steamed tomato and fresh cucumber. This flavor gives you the sensation of eating a salad in every chip, which is quirky but refreshing. Strawberry jam and mustard flavor, potato chips with a blend of sweet strawberry jam and tangy mustard, creating a completely unexpected contrast of sweet and spicy that many people would never think of combining. Before the chips reach you, they go through a final quality inspection process. A metal detector scans the chips to detect any foreign objects that may have entered during production. This ensures that every bag of chips meets the highest safety standards and is in perfect condition. Finally, the bags of Lay's chips are ready to be sent to stores and into the hands of consumers. After a thorough production process filled with care and creativity, Lay's chips will always retain their fresh taste, crispiness, and unique flavor, offering you an unforgettable snack experience. Each bag of Lay's chips is a work of art, created from endless innovation. And that's the journey of Lay's potato chips. We hope this video has provided you with some fascinating and useful information. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to never miss out on our upcoming videos about the production process of famous snacks. See you in the next.